Hello everyone, my name is Man Patel and today I am going to solve LeetCode question number 1221. Split a string in a balanced string. So let's understand the question first. Here we are given a question in which balanced string are those that have an equal quantity of L and R characters. L means left and R means right characters. Given a balanced string S, split it into some numbers of substrings such that each substring is a balanced string. Return the maximum number of balanced string you can obtain. So this is the question. Now let's understand this question more simply by example here. Here we are given example 1 in which input the string is RL, RR, LL, RL, RL. Output is 4 because S can be split in substrings in 4 types. The first substring will be RL which is a balanced string, double R, double L which is also a balanced string, another RL which is also a balanced substring, and another RL which is also a balanced substring. In example 2, you can check that RL, triple R, double L, and R double L. So we are given output 2 because S can be split into RL 1 and the second substring will be RL again. So we are returning output here RL 2 times. The same here, example 3, 4L 4R. The output is 1 because S can be split into the same string is also substring. So we are returning output here 1. So this is the code. It is a simple code. Now let's write this code in C++ language. So first of all I am going to take a variable which data type will be integer name count and initializing it with 0. This count will store number of balanced substring, and another variable which will track difference between R and L. So int balance equals to 0. Now I am going to iterate a for loop in input string. It will loop through each characters, and if I am going to write if condition, if C equals to capital R, balance should be plus, increasing for R, incrementing the balance, and in else condition it will simply L, so balance will be minus, decrease for left L side. And after this I am going to add another if condition, if balance equals to 0, will increment the count. So what is this if condition doing? If balance becomes 0, we found the balanced substring, so the balanced substring count will be 1. So if it is 0, we will simply increment the count, means we are simply incrementing the result count. So after this count get increment, we will simply return that count here. So this is the code. Now let's run the code here. So as you can see, the test cases that are being added are successfully passed. So let's add another test case by our own side. I am going to write here another double R, double R, L and R. So now let's run the code again. As you can see, the 4 test cases that I have added successfully passed. So let's submit the code here. As you can see, the code is successfully submitted and the runtime of this code is 0 ms. Thank you everyone.